everyone! Thank you for visiting my channel. This is Cheryl and I am the macrame artist of Macrame Collections. So for today's video, it's gonna be quick. I am just gonna share with you how I make my macrame fringes on FLEEK. You know, it's like your eyebrow on fleek, your eyelash on fleek. So we are going to do the same to our macrame. So there's two things that I want you to grab now. Just get it. I know you ladies all have this at home. You have to get a comb and your hair iron. So this is one of my creation. I did it last year and I am really very proud of this creation. I think it took me about 3 weeks because I'm out of rope. So I just combined all different type of ropes and it's quite nice. So let's start. My iron is very special. It's from Babyliss. There's an adjusting button here. So for my macrame, I always use 12. So it is much more hotter and you can see fast result. So what I do is I comb it first, like so. Then I'm going to start ironing it just like my hair. Yes, just like that. Yup. So you see, it's straight. So you just have to do for the rest. So that's how I do my macrame fringe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Till next time!